Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Silkwarp unlocked and Owlet Charm equipped to maintain momentum. Once set, spawn at the main hub and check the day/night cycle because the merchant only appears in specific windows. Move immediately toward the only way quest marker. Don't explore corners yet. Keep an eye on subtle audio cues and sparkles. These indicate merchant proximity. As you travel, conserve stamina and use short Silkwarp bursts to close long gaps. This gets you into the merchant's spawn zone. Once you enter the middle route, orient by landmarks: Broken Arch, Twin Lanterns, then the Tilted Statue. Move deliberately, clear or bypass mid-route enemies quietly because loud fights can delay the merchant's appearance. Make sure to trigger the environmental switches in the exact order: left, center, right, so the shortcut doors remain open. Use small Silkwarp hops across gaps to avoid falling resets. If you reach a dead end, backtrack to the last lantern. This preserves the spawn conditions and keeps the merchant window active for you. Approach the vendor alcove during the active window and stand just inside the entrance. The merchant can take up to 90 seconds to materialize. If they do not appear, do a quick reset. Rest at the nearest bench, re-enter the route, and follow the same path. This reliably retriggers spawn conditions. Purchase rare items only after the merchant's menu fully loads because inventory rotates and you may waste currency. One troubleshooting tip: if spawn still fails, clear the entire zone of enemies and perform a full reload before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.